Happy Wine with our treasure, and welcome back to our channel. Yeah, my hair's oh my goodness. Anyway, here is a tip I was talking about in another video about saving money at the grocery store or doing some things yourself. Got it down. See? Sam's Club. Whole black peppercorn. Instead of buying it and having it like this, I use a little oyster blender. Put about that much in there, and that's how much it made when I grounded it up. So now I have my unground pepper. Pretty cool. And this lasts, who knows how long this lasts. It depends on how much pepper you like and how much you use. But now I have some ground pepper. I don't have to do this. I have my son and daughter-in-law want to do that. That's fine. And they have other stuff that they use. But sometimes I'll just like, shake a little bit. And, hey, but that's some good hand, using that grinder. You gotta grind. You use one hand to do it, then switch hands, and you've done your hand exercises for the day. That is one thing I've had to do since learning now that not to have red meat, the alpha-gal, everything, because my hands, it was really bad. And even, see that bottom right there? I don't care if it's a drop of grease from beef or whatever they cook. We have to cook our food separate. Have to. Always did, but even more so now. Because I don't care if it's a splash of grease or something into my food. Yeah, that's what happens. But now my hands are so much better. I just lean on the counter. Yeah. And learning now that different foods really make inflammation bad, because I have fibromyalgia. White pepper and black pepper, which we have black pepper. And they have, if I can find it real quick. Oh, ouch. That's down here. It's tricolor. But, see, with this, it's black, white, pink, green peppercorns. And the tree nut allergies. I don't think I have any, but something about this one, I can't have that either. But that's okay. I'm good. Make my own. What am I doing? Y'all hear the sizzling? Frying up some okra. And I'm getting ready to make chicken. I got this recipe from Pafford Homestead. Shout out to Brandy, Charlie, and Autumn. And it's supposed to be goodness gracious. Chick-fil-A chicken. I can't use paprika because it's part of the nightshade family, because paprika is made from tomatoes. So I use cumin. And I'm not going to get ready to do the process. Got the oil heating and everything. And so when it's done, I will do another video. In the process of doing all this, I need both hands. So, y'all stay tuned. If you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on our treasure home.